At first, we have to open exam control file. You must install this file in your localhost. I have my you must follow that your XAMPP folder must 3.3 compile April 6, 2021. I think you should use the latest version because latest version is best for working localhost in WordPress latest version. Open it. Then I'll download WordPress latest version of this download. I want to do this entire job only 5 minutes. That's too easy. Mm, WordPress download. Yes, 5 5.7.2. The latest version of WordPress. I keep it on my desktop. Let it be in download. The WordPress is downloaded. Now I create a folder in localhost. I go to my PC, my folder. I have installed the XAMPP file there. Here I have a mini localhost already. Localhost 6. This is my 6 localhost option. There. Here I create a folder according to my website. I want to create a blog site, so I name the blog, name the folder blog. Okay, then I open it. I close it. Then I unzip the WordPress. Extract WordPress, same option. Let it be unzip. Here is my WordPress unzip folder. I open it. Then I copy it. Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Then I paste it. My blog folder in my localhost. Paste. Let it be paste. Copy paste complete. See, all the WordPress file is there. Now I go to localhost. See, the blog folder is here. Now I click it. It didn't open because there is a lot few words there to open it. Yes. But it is still not. No, I have to do something before it will stop. I will to make a database. So there. Here is pitch my win. Click new to create a new database. I name it blog. I select there here. This mandatory must select it. If you have it, chance please wait. Remind it the name of the your blog. So I go to localhost, where localhost blog, then I make a copy of double config sample. Copy it, paste here, then I edit it, rename it actually, rename, just cut down. Now open it. My database name is blog that I create minutes ago. Blog. See this name blog. Okay. Then username and password. Password is nothing. Keep password blank. Username username is root. That is username root. Then I have a simple word here for security purpose. Copy this link, paste it in the browser. You must API WordPress order secret key solve. You paste it and the code origin, then it paste in the section here. Okay, now save and now I can install it. Again I show you the localhost, create, then select image, continue, then give you site title, blog for human, username, admin, and password I can pass. You can keep it. You can do your name, give your name as you wish. I just make it simple because this demo work. Email address, that's it. Email address is this. Okay. This goes search engine from indexing the site because you are making a demo site, so I tick this option. Now install WordPress. Okay, WordPress has been installed. Thank you, enjoy. Now login. Admin, pass, Now my WordPress is ready for work. This is the perfect procedure of installing WordPress in your local host. Thank you very much. If you like it, please subscribe it. Thank you.